Core Mining Satoshi Review. You may have heard of Bitcoin, the digital currency that's been making headlines lately. But what you may not know is that you can actually mine Bitcoin yourself and get paid in the process. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it turns out that mining Bitcoin is a lot harder than it sounds. But if you're interested in giving it a try, Core Mining is one of the most reputable companies in the business. So, is Core Mining a scam or is it legit? In this article, we'll take a close look at Core Mining and find out everything you need to know before you decide whether or not to invest. You are watching Cryptonomics, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information. And we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. So, what is Core Mining Satoshi? It's a cloud-based mining service that allows you to earn cryptocurrency without having to deal with the hassle of mining hardware, software, or setting up a rig. You simply sign up, choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine, and start earning. The company takes care of the rest, including all the maintenance and security. What are the features of Core Mining Satoshi? Well, for starters, it's one of the most user-friendly cloud mining platforms I've come across. The website is easy to navigate, and you can start mining immediately. Plus, Core Mining Satoshi is one of the few cloud mining companies that actually pay out. I've tried a few others, and they just don't seem to be as reliable. Another great thing about Core Mining Satoshi is that you can choose your mining pool. This gives you more flexibility and control over your mining operations. In case you're not familiar with, how does Core Mining Satoshi work? Let me tell you, it's a cloud mining service that lets you mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Here's how it works: you purchase a membership, and then you're given a certain amount of hashing power. You can use this hashing power to mine different cryptocurrencies. The more members Core Mining Satoshi has, the more hashing power it can provide. So it's a great way to get into mining cryptocurrencies without having to purchase any expensive hardware. And if you're worried about the volatility of the market, don't be. Core Mining Satoshi takes care of that for you. They always sell the mined coins at the market price, so you always know exactly what you're getting. There's a common question that: is Core Mining Satoshi a scam? Let's start with the basics. Is Core Mining Satoshi a scam? The answer is no, it's not. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be careful. Like any other investment, there's always some risk involved when you're dealing with crypto. But if you do your research and arm yourself with knowledge, you can reduce that risk significantly. And that's where Core Mining comes in. They're a legit company with a proven track record, and they offer a great service that can help you make money in the crypto market. How to use Core Mining Satoshi? First of all, you need to create an account. It's really easy, just enter your email address and password, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all kinds of information about your account. You can see your total balance, as well as the amount of Bitcoin you've earned. To start mining, just click the Start Mining button. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can choose the amount of hash power you want to use. Just slide the bar to the left or right until you find the setting that's right for you. Once you've made your selection, click Start Mining and Core Mining Satoshi will get to work for you. Pros and cons of Core Mining Satoshi. So, if you're thinking about investing in Core Mining Satoshi, that's great. But before you do, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision. Here are the pros. 1. Core Mining Satoshi is a reputable company that's been in business for several years. 2. They offer a wide range of mining plans, so you can find one that fits your budget. 3. They have a solid track record of paying their members on time. And here are the cons. 1. The fees can be a bit high, especially if you're mining at a low hash rate. 2. Customer support can be spotty at times. 3. The website is a bit cluttered and confusing to navigate. Overall, Core Mining Satoshi is a good company with some minor flaws. If you're comfortable with the fees and you don't mind dealing with customer support, then they're definitely worth considering. First of all, core mining is not a Ponzi scheme. They are a legitimate company that has been in business for several years. They offer a variety of mining plans that are designed to fit any budget, and they have a team of experts who are available 24/7 to help you with any questions or problems you may have. Their customer service is top-notch, and they offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all of their products and services. So is core mining a scam? Absolutely not. They are one of the most reputable companies in the cryptocurrency mining industry. We think that core mining is a great way to start mining cryptocurrencies. The returns are good and the risk is relatively low. However, you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comments section. And do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.